In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in the United Kingdom in just 5 minutes. Opening a PayPal account is a simple and straightforward process. PayPal is a widely accepted online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money securely. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting your account up and running. To start, head over to paypal.com/UK/home. This is the UK specific PayPal webpage where you'll find all the services and sign up options tailored for UK users. Once you're there, look for the sign up button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Give it a click to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be presented with the choice between opening a personal or a business account. For most individual users, the personal account option will be suitable as it covers all your typical needs such as shopping online, sending money to friends and family, and more. Go ahead and select personal account and then click on get started to proceed. From here, you'll need to fill out your basic contact information. This includes your name and email address, and you'll also need to create a password for your account. It's important to choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols to make it harder for anyone to guess. As you continue the registration, make sure you select United Kingdom as your country. This setting is crucial because it affects how your account is configured for local regulations and services. After you've selected your country, you'll be prompted to provide more detailed information. This will include your full name, address, and phone number. Accurate information is essential here because PayPal may need to verify your identity later on. Now you'll have the option to add a funding source to your account, such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card. While you can skip this step initially, linking a bank account or card is recommended for a seamless experience when transferring funds in or out of your PayPal account. In some cases, PayPal may require you to verify your account. Verification can typically be done by linking to your bank or by providing some additional documentation that proves your identity and address. Finally, before your account is official, take a moment to review PayPal's terms and conditions. It's always good to know the rules and your rights when using their services. Once you're satisfied, click Agree and Create Account to complete the registration. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PayPal account in the UK. From here, you can start using PayPal to pay for goods and services, send money to friends and family, and take full advantage of all the conveniences it offers. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting.